Hey guys, I get so many questions on the daily about my hair and hair in particular. So I normally get asked, what is best, clip-in extensions or tape-in extensions? Now I personally have never tried tape-in extensions. I do have clip-in extensions, but I rarely use them because, to be honest, my hair is pretty long naturally and I do have a full healthy head of hair. I wouldn't say that my hair is extremely thick, but I do have a full head of hair, so I couldn't really raise my opinion on what is best, clip-in or tape-in extensions. So I am actually going to go to the salon right after this to get my extensions removed, because I have had extensions, tape-in extensions in for 2 months, and I wanted to share my experience with you guys and just raise my opinion, what I think is best. And this is purely my opinion. This can be totally different to yours. Your experience might be completely different, but I just wanted to share my experience with you guys and just raise some knowledge on the topic. So firstly, before I get into my experience, I do want to give you some information on the actual hair. So I've had this hair in for 2 months. That's like the maximum recommended time to wear your extensions. So I've had them just over 2 months. I'm literally pushing it. That's why I'm getting them removed today. So the actual hair is by Strands of Love. I will leave their details and the links down below, as well as my hairdresser Gisela from Posh & Co installed my extensions. Now you need to pay a little bit extra to actually get them installed. You can't do them yourself, like just clipping a little clip into your head like clip-in extensions. You have to get a professional to do that. So my hairdresser Gisela did that for me, and I think they charge around roughly 1,000 Rand to install them, and you can get it straight from your hairdresser. Like my hairdresser, she sources the hair for you and she puts them in for you and all of that. So you can, just contact her if you want more information on pricing, but I'll leave more or less the pricing of my hair down below. So I got 60 centimeter in length, because my hair naturally is 57 centimeters from my ears down. So yeah, you can't even see my hair in the frame, but I will show you a cutaway shot. So I didn't get the extensions any longer than my natural hair. I purely got a few little pieces just for thickness and also to test it out, because I kind of wanted to see how it is to have them. So I didn't get too many, so you might need a little bit more than I got. So I got 10 pieces, which is 20 tapes. So you basically take 2 tapes and you sandwich them together. They have glue on them already. You just need someone, as a professional hairdresser, to install them for you. So I will quickly show you guys how I installed my extensions 2 months ago. Your hair has to be clean and straight in order to install the extensions, and then you can't wash your hair for I think 2 days after application, and you also can't tie your hair up because the tapes are pretty tight. But Gisela knows my hair and she knows how irritable I am with my hair, so she did install it slightly below the normal distance from the scalp, so I didn't struggle too much. I was able to tie up my hair, but I didn't do that because that's obviously not recommended. So I got hair extensions on Friday and it's been a couple of days. It's the first time I washed them and oh, my scalp is itching, so I just need to finish drying them. They're about half dry, and then you can basically go about your normal day. I think the only struggle that I had with the extensions the first week was sleeping, because you obviously have like these little tight tapes that's pulling your hair, and as you like turn, sometimes they pull, and it was quite a challenge to wash my hair, because when I normally wash my hair without any extensions in them, I kind of like, you know, scratch my head and massage my head. You can't really do that. You kind of have to go like on top of the tape and then below, and then kind of like clean them. And the extension hair itself is a similar texture to my natural hair, so that was pretty nice because I could literally let it air dry and it would look like my own natural hair. But what I did find is that it did knot it a little bit around the tape, so your hair that's around the tape sometimes gets knotted with the extensions, so you just have to be careful with like making sure that you keep them detangled so that you don't actually damage your own hair. I think what else is there to like talk about in terms of these taping extensions? They are obviously amazing looking. Like, I literally loved the look. I still love the look of my hair. My hair, as I said, is pretty full and long, but this is just on another level. It's obviously not a huge difference because I only got like 10 little pieces in my head. My friend also has extensions and she has I think she said about 25 to 30 pieces in her hair, so that's 60 pieces of extensions that's like taped together. So she literally has 3 times the amount in her head than I do. I just have a couple like at the back, like this one you can see, because it's obviously like grown out now, so you can see the extension. So that's the extension. I got the color 60 at Strands of Love, and as you guys can see, I did not color my hair or anything for, you know, matching the extension. The extensions literally is the color of my own hair. My roots are obviously a lot darker, but you can't see the extensions. Like if I go like this, like you literally cannot see them. So I find that now that I've kind of like exceeded the time, they do peek through a little bit at the back because it's obviously time to take them out and move them up again. But I'm going to take them out and rest my hair for a little bit, and I think for next time when I get them reinstalled, I will only keep them for a month. I will not recommend keeping these extensions in for longer than a month because you kind of do get a little bit irritable. The actual band or like the tape kind of like twists as you try to make a pony or anything like that. So I think one last thing, I'm like sweating guys. One last thing that I'm going to mention in terms of the extensions that I didn't particularly love was the fact that I couldn't really do like high ponies or my high bun that I love, or you know, things like that. But I could do a low bun, I could do like a pony that's about this height. But yeah, I love them overall. I think it's, you know, so convenient because you don't have to take them out, you don't have to put them back in every day, and you literally go to bed and you wake up with beautiful hair. It just obviously depends, you know, why you want them and the actual condition of your own hair. Like, I don't need extensions. Let's just be honest, I don't need them, but I loved having them, and I will definitely get them, you know, installed again for like the future when I have like maybe a holiday or a getaway, or when I just want to feel like extra glam all the time. But I am excited to get them removed, so I'm going to bring you guys along to the salon with me and show you how we remove them. while since I got my extensions removed, because I wanted to form a very honest and proper overall opinion and experience around tape-in extensions. So it's been quite a while, I think like a month and a half, maybe 2 months since I got my extensions removed. And the reason why I waited so long to like finish this video is because the day I got them removed, I felt like, oh my goodness, where has my hair gone? I felt so naked. My hair felt so thin, but it was obviously like pin straight, and my hair is a little bit thinner when it's pin straight in comparison to what it looks like now. So I don't have any extensions in my hair right now, but I just felt like my hair just felt so thin, and I actually regretted getting the extensions. But my hairstylist assured me that it was actually just me that has gotten used to the thick hair, and she was 100% right, because I feel 100% myself again after like having my natural hair again for a while. And I do agree that it didn't damage my hair, it didn't like pull out my hair or anything. Obviously you need to take care of them, and the reason why I felt like, oh my goodness, all of my hair is gone, is because you lose hair anyway, and just because it's attached to the actual strip and doesn't physically fall out until you remove them, it feels like your hair doesn't fall out, you know, because like some of the sections, especially the bottom, which is most likely a lot more of the older hair, so a lot of my longer hair fell out, and that's why I had to like cut quite a bit of it, because I like a blunt, healthy cut. And yeah, so basically your hair does fall out every single day. Naturally 100 hair, like strands of hair, fall out every single day, so I didn't notice a lot of hair fall out, and I feel like my hair is actually healthier than it was before, because I washed it a lot less. I wash my hair like once a week, but I could push it to like maybe a week and a half with the hair extensions, because I just use dry shampoo. I use the Batiste one, if you guys were wondering, and my hair just looked beautiful all the time, because the extension just looks so full and so like, you know, I don't know, just so beautiful. And I'm actually going to get them done again tomorrow for the Durban July. I obviously don't need it, but I just want like extravagant hair, and I'm definitely only going to keep them in for a month. So I think the only thing that I haven't mentioned was the shampoo and conditioner that I used during the time that I had the extensions in, and it was actually the Strands of Love shampoo and conditioner that you get with the extensions. I didn't wash my hair with anything else. This actually, you know, is good on normal hair like I have now, and not extensions, but I wanted to keep it for the next time I put them in. So I'm going to start using this again tomorrow when I get my extensions done again. If you want more hair content, please let me know in the comments down below. Maybe I'll do another video on hair extensions and like a different point of view, because I've gotten them done before. Sorry that this video is so long, but I mean, it's been a couple of months actually. So if you want any more information, you can contact her, maybe get a quote for your hair, or you can contact Strands of Love directly. That is where I got my hair from. So I will leave all of those information and links down below, and then I'll see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye guys.